To migrate to Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup, start by understanding the key concepts and benefits of Universal Analytics. Universal Analytics provides a more comprehensive and accurate picture of your website traffic and user behavior, allowing for more informed decision-making. First, create a new Universal Analytics property in your Google Analytics account. This will generate a new tracking code that you will need to install on your website. The new tracking code will collect data on user interactions, including page views, events, and transactions. Next, configure your data collection settings, including data retention, user ID, and advertising features. Data retention determines how long your user level and event level data is stored, while user ID allows you to track users across multiple devices and platforms. Advertising features enable demographics and interest reports, as well as remarketing and advertising reporting. Then, set up your goals and events to track conversions and other important user interactions. Goals can be based on destinations, events, or durations, while events can be used to track specific user actions, such as form submissions or button clicks. After setting up your goals and events, configure your e-commerce tracking to capture transaction data, including revenue, tax, and shipping information. This will provide valuable insights into your website's revenue streams and customer purchasing behavior. To ensure a smooth migration, verify that your new Universal Analytics tracking code is installed correctly and that data is being collected and processed correctly. Use the Google Analytics debugger to test your tracking code and identify any issues. Best practices for migrating to Universal Analytics include testing and verifying your setup, monitoring data quality, and taking advantage of the new features and capabilities offered by Universal Analytics. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful migration and start taking advantage of the more comprehensive and accurate insights provided by Universal Analytics. It is also important to note that Universal Analytics will be replaced by Google Analytics 4. So it is recommended to consider migrating directly to Google Analytics 4 for more advanced features and capabilities. However, if you still need to migrate to Universal Analytics, following these steps will help you to do so successfully.